I made apple.
Go ahead.
Now I painted giraffe.
Get it all. There you go. Good job. Good job.
Now that. Now giraffe.
Okay, Samuel. Now what are you going to put in? Sugar and butter. Okay, put them in.
Noise.
Yeah, it makes a lot of noise, doesn't it? One what?
Wait.
One egg?
Yeah.
Okay, pour it in there.
Me too.
Yep, go ahead. Go ahead. Good job.
Now vanilla.
Now vanilla. Go ahead and pour it in.
A chocolate chip.
Okay, go ahead. What?
Yuck.
Oh, that's okay. Okay, we'll get it off.
Now butter.
Okay, go ahead. Let's get the rest. All right, we're going to go ahead and put it in the air fryer. This is my first time doing cookies in here, so we're going to see how they turn out. We're going to go ahead and set it for bake. Okay, try it out. What do you think?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah, Mom.
You did a good job, didn't you?
Yeah.
Is it super yummy? All right, well, thank you so much for joining us in Samuel's cooking show. He saw Mommy doing it, and he wanted to do one also. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions about the products that were listed here in our video, then please just let me know. I'd be happy to answer them. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.